All right, basically, I fixed the Mustang, fixed the transmission, everything's put back together. I can crank this thing up right now. It's got a new clutch, new pilot bearing, new flywheel, like it's ready to rock and roll. Except we had a little bit of an oopsie daisy with the ball joint. Now, what am I talking about with the ball joint? Well, let me show you. Yeah. So you can see basically there's the shadow of threads that are supposed to be there. We need to replace that right now. It looks like the little pin got smashed off somehow. I have no clue how that happened. Not a clue. But Summit Racing has my Proforged ball joints. They have them in stock, and it takes like 2 days if you order from Summit in order to get here. Bada bing, bada boom. There it is. And then I got the specialty socket, this big mumbo jumbo from Proforged themselves, to use my impact and basically install it. So if things work out, there is a race this Friday that we could drive this thing to. Ain't no better way of testing something out. Just go straight into racing it, right? Anyways, or driving an hour to it and then having to drive an hour back after racing and all that good stuff. Also, I need a new headlight ring because this guy is not doing the job. So usually what happens is these stupid little tabs. I hate the way, I wish someone made this where it was just a clean slot, not a keyhole. That drives me nuts. Something else, fresh fluid in the transmission. The radiator and cooling system is swapped over to distilled water and water wetter. So that's track friendly, ready to go. I have no idea how old the oil is or what the condition the oil is in or anything like that. So I got another filter and some more Schaeffer's 5W50 that we could plug right on in there as soon as we get this ball joint on. All right, let's get this bad boy off. And you can even see there's a little line where this was frickin' riding. Come on now. Man, the ball joint's in pretty good condition. It's just a screwed up. That's unfortunate. Let's go ahead and clean this up a bit. Don't need any reason for these threads not to work. Looks like we self-clearanced a little bit. Whew. Whew. The dust cover. You idiot. It's supposed to be in there. Get a wrench for that grease zerk. Little castle nut. Let's see if I can find some little solution for a spacer. Here we go, got something. Alright, I'll go in blind. Also elevates that little castle nut to get tightened down for that cotter pin. Nope. There we go. And now to put some curlicues on this thing so that it doesn't come undone. Because we don't want it to. Let's go pack this one. Oh, we gotta tighten that up. But as soon as you start seeing it bulge out, like it is now, see now it's oozing, you're done. Alright, let's go ahead and fix this headlight. Should be a fairly straightforward fix. So. Time for an oil change. So we got a Motorcraft FL500S and some good old Schaeffer's 5W50 8 quarts. You know, because that's what we have. It don't look bad, but it does look cooked. camera. By hand. Hell yeah. Look, baby steps to success, okay? So look at how torn up that is. There's supposed to be threads all the way down that thing. Gross. I have taken the 65 Mustang around the block. There is still a noise, but luckily it's not a mechanical failing bearing noise. It is in fact a exhaust leak. So we have some exhaust work to do pretty shortly. So damn it, it's always something. Well, pretty successful video. Replaced the ball joint, did the oil change, all the fluids are fresh. We've secured things. I made a motor mount adjustment. There's one or two missing bolts from the bell housing. I put those in, no biggie. For the most part, car feels pretty good. Definitely handles really nice. There's no wandering that's happening because there's not a loose ball joint anymore. But everything seems to be in order. Everything seems to be pretty darn good. But next video, hopefully it's us racing. You know, I'm not gonna probably go through filming my little exhaust leak. You know, it's kind of silly. It's a minor leak somewhere. I gotta go hunt down somewhere. I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna figure it out. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like button, comment your thoughts below. If it's your first time here, why don't you think of subscribing? And if you're wanting to see these videos as soon as they're uploaded and you get the early access to watching the videos and any videos that kind of come from that, you become a $2 a month YouTube member and you get that early access. And if you join to be a higher tier, then you get even more access to me. You know, individual videos, that attention, what prioritizing of comments and questions and all that good stuff. Anyways, either way, I appreciate you're here. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys later.